That wasn't part of your when you cooked. Oh wait, that was just theirs, and then we tried the prosciutto.
We did the
Okay,
prosciutto.
so let's start this again.
We tried the prosciutto. First, do I need to have a whiteboard behind the camera that goes prosciutto pepperoni? Loved it. Wild
Well, it's kind
night.
of funny. It's like how many freaking frozen pizzas? We've had more frozen pizzas this month than in our entire life. This month meaning a 30-day rolling period.
That's true.
Like, I think we had like maybe one frozen pizza since we've been together in 20 years. And we've had like 4 this last 30 days.
Wait, we've had how many?
4!
Coming up on Like It or Not, he attempts to make a DiGiorno Supreme Thin Crust Pizza.
So, let me say this first. I hate thin crust pizza. I hate thin crust pizza. So why would I go out and buy a DiGiorno Supreme Thin Crust Pizza? Because we've been stuck at home freaking recording pizzas for like a month now. This is the 6th one, and I've kind of gotten in this rut of just buying frozen pizzas from the grocery store. Preheat 400, remove pizza from wrap, place directly on rack, 16 to 19 minutes.
Ooh. Oh, it's because it's thin crust.
Enjoy in square form with a salad.
They're O for...
You want to talk about something they're O for something, I'll watch this.
That's so scary. There's scissors right there in the, nope. Look behind you. Nope. In the tea pitcher lid. I know, why would they be there?
It's like we go to Grandma's house. Where's the so-and-so? It's in the what?
Okay.
You're framing. You know, trying to keep from starving to death over here.
I know it's so thin, it's probably going to defrost before it goes in the oven.
Like it de-thawed while we were sitting there talking and yakking for 50 minutes.
It's like 20. It was long enough for the oven to heat up. Wait, I know this.
Which takes exactly...
I know this. Is there any olives on the bottom of the pizza?
I don't see any olives anywhere.
I don't see any.
I don't see any on the pizza.
I thought all Supremes had.
Actually, I don't see it in the picture.
Okay, well, I guess the Supreme does not have olives.
Sausage, pepperoni, green, red, and yellow peppers, onions, sausage, pork and chicken. It has no olives. I just throw this thing in the trash can. I didn't waste my time. Question is, do I put it directly on the rack like it said, or in a pan? You can clean that later. Something tells me putting that on the rack like that's going to be a mistake.
Well, here's the other thing: is that's going to burn. All that's going to burn, and then it's going to smell. Don't ask me how I know that cheese.
That wasn't cheese; it was an onion.
Oh gosh, that really smells.
Tell you what, I'm putting this thing on a pan. Something I just got a bad feeling. I've got a feeling.
He's going to put a square pizza on a round pan. Yeah, you smell it? It's burning.
You'll thank me later. Yeah.
All I know.
Sausage, pepperoni, green, red, and yellow peppers, onions, and sausage. Oh wait, no, and sausage made with pork and chicken. Pepperoni made with pork, chicken, and beef. So yes, they call it a Supreme, but it has no olives. Can you even call that Supreme?
I don't know. All I can smell is the burning onion. Because another one fell in the back that you did not see.
That sounds like the name of a bar, the Burning Onion.
It does. The burning onion. You heard it here, folks.
Yes, we need to trademark that quick.
Hashtag the burning onion. Snap Magic or...
I snapped earlier. Speed up.
Oh, it's not.
That's a little horrible. Almost thinking maybe another minute or two.
Okay. I don't know. What are those things called?
Life hack.
No, I meant, what are the...
I believe those are for lids. Pans and lids. It's
Yep.
a lid holder.
You put one in there, and then I'll put the sheet pans and the cutting boards and everything in there.
How many does it hold? 4.
It holds way more than 4. So there's your helpful tip. All right.
I think we're going to call her done. You're done. Four hours later.
Wait.
4. Are you...
The look on his face when I say I need to take a couple pictures.
I'm hungry. And you're over here. Wait, I gotta get on the perfect framing. I want my pizza. I want pizza now.
You're not.
Fat man got to eat.
You're not in the picture.
I don't care. Fat man got to eat. You got some audio. The world needs to hear that. The suffering that I go. The suffering is real, people. Hey, look at that. 1 spatula. 1 spatula.
I need 4.
I'm going to make the whole world's head explode and cut it like this.
Yes, please. Yes.
I was joking, but...
Yes. That's how you cut a square pizza.
It's like, how do you make slices out of a square pizza?
Life hack.
Tell me I'm cutting a square pizza in my butt. Take that.
Wait.
Ooh, ooh.
Did you make
I
triangles?
just took a square pizza and made slices. Take that, world.
He just fist bumped me.
I bumped it all right.
We're not boomers, but we should be.
Pizza booger.
Generation X winning.
Wait, but that wasn't food. I don't know what that was.
Did you just eat a booger?
I don't know what it was. Might have been plastic. This is number 6.
Or as what court martial Joe?
Court Martial
Joe
Joe.
would say.
Course Marshal, not court. Course Marshal
Joe
Joe.
would go
4.
4.
4. Yeah, I got one of those hats. 400 degrees.
What's the temperature?
400 degrees. Hold on, wait a minute. 400 degrees.
According to the recipe box, according to the DiGiorno box, the temperature set for crap. What's this called?
400 degrees.
I can't remember what.
Can opener. And the rest of you.
According to the box, the temperature for can opener, tongs,
Wait a minute.
temperature.
400 degrees.
This is so dumb.
This is what happens when people get stuck in a house together. for 20 years. Stone baked for a crispy crust.
Oh, we don't have a stone.
No, I think what they're hinting at is it's already been cooked. Like, I think they pre-cooked the...
Say that again.
That again?